our last full day here. We decided to finally get on the bikes we rented. There's another view of our place in our rental truck that is not the one that we reserved. We're told that if we go back out to this main road here and make a left instead of going right to go back into town, there's a bike trail that leads to a nice beach. It has lots of good shells on it. So we're gonna check that out. T.H. Stone Memorial, St. Joseph Peninsula State Park. Did we bring any money?
Yep.
Oh, good. I thought we didn't bring money. Huh?
Firewood. $7 a bundle. Oh, crap.
Yep.
Says there's a concession stand.
What?
Concession stand.
Oh, nice.
Thank y'all and have a good day.
Thank you. Lindsay just noticed what looks a lot like what we saw in Sanibel. They had, would they say, Hurricane Michael come through here not too long ago. We still have some dead trees. Still standing, but obviously dead. We've seen that in a lot of places on this island. We're facing the Gulf side here. The inland bay or harbor is over on this side. There's a little concession store here at the marina. Scallop Cove 2. We developed a bit of a thirst. I'm gonna go in with you.
How y'all doing?
Hi, good.
What do you want?
Sunscreen, hats. That's a cool Florida hat. Scallop Cove. Do that? You want one?
No.
Let me get one. Celsius. Tropical Vibe. Yeah. Haven't tried that one. Tropical Vibe. Double red flag, water closed to public, red high hazard, yellow medium hazard, green low hazard. I don't know if I've ever seen a green flag. Purple, dangerous marine life. We saw that 2 days ago when we had jellyfish. It's a nice looking beach. Those crabbies? No, those are bugs. Little buggies. It was mentioned they call it Forgotten Coast. And nowhere we've been has been the least bit crowded. At all. I mean, this is July 31st today. And it's a weekday, but if you want a spot of beach all to yourself, you can find it here. You don't have to listen to anybody's crappy music. We did do it. We came and saw the beach for a good 15 minutes, but we don't have a lot of time, so we need to go back, make some lunch, pack a beach bag, because we're going on a pontoon boat in Port St. Joe on the little inland bay. What do you call it? A bay? Yeah. Captain Yummy.
Driving a picnic table. Slowest boat I've ever been.
Yar. Surrender the booty. So the darker is the grass.
Yeah.
I wouldn't go much faster. No, it's kind of shallow. I wouldn't go too fast.
It's really shallow.
I did. Nah, you don't want it all the way up. You're not moving at all.
We're gonna follow them.
Looks fine.
Oh yeah. Jimbo here. The third boat has joined us. They found us. Pirates are coming. Stop on the little water adventure here. We're sort of beached up. We have a little very shallow area, and all three boats pulled up for a little dip, but we've been seeing a lot of stingrays as we've been coming along. Getting in, Brandy?
Probably not.
Why not? Why not, Brandy? Okay, cool. Good story.
I'm good right here.
And then we have Thunder.
Princess is gonna sit on my little pedestal.
Are you getting in? You got your goggles on.
I don't know. Looks like it.
Jimbo, you getting in? Lexi? No.
Maybe. It's a maybe.
Maybe. It's a solid maybe. Oh, it's deep up here.
No, it's not.
It's a lot deeper up here than it is at the back.
Probably. But it's up to Bryce's waist. So I jumped in like it was deep.
You're just gonna hang out up there?
I think so for now.
Okay.
We'll see.
Yeah, pot of bait. Yeah, don't listen to the fucking guy who's been out here like 800 times.
Yeah, Ken, you're the man of the water. I mean, you know.
Well, look at Miss I'm not getting in the water.
That's so cute. She's just standing for a picture.
Yeah. Photo op. Here, get together.
For the gram.
There you go, Brandy.
Yeah.
Brandy.
It's not a picture.
Well, it's a video.
A
It's a nice little video, and we can always like screenshot the video if we want to.
We're in here to get a picture. Is she coming over?
We got in for a picture and Courtney ran away.
Landon.
Back for more. Here, hold this. I'm gonna try it. It's still on. We're never gonna lose it now. Oh boy, now we got him. This is a bad idea. All right, no more. Whoa! It's right in front of you.
Thanks, Ken.
He's about maybe 10 foot in front of you. It's directly in front of you. So you go either way, you're gonna miss it.
There he is. A porcupine puffer.
Hey, buddy. He literally has let me touch his tail.
No shit.
Yep.
It's pretty stuck in your ass.
Yeah. There he is. Yeah, just outside the grass now.
Come out, say hi. There you go.
He literally was sitting there and let me touch his tail.
Crazy. Maybe he just thought it was the grass hitting him.
Was he stuck in the grass?
No, he's just sitting there. I mean, he probably thought he was hiding.
He wanted to come home with you.
I used to have one of those in the front.
we'll leave him be. Wasn't that your nickname in college?
Yep. Big one right there. See him up on there.
Yeah.
Here, get these two. That one's walking.
It's right here.
The one. Keep it down. Oh my gosh, look at all of them. Yeah. Like they're sunbathing. Right?
It's cool.
There's so many. There's so many of them. Yeah.
Put that one back here.
Okay, guys, this is the king daddy right here.
Ooh,
How do you know? Oh, because it's the biggest one?
that's huge.
Big.
That's a cool nautilus shell too.
Is there all, are all of them in there? Or is there some in there? Oh,
Yeah, they are.
I think all of them up here probably.
do you want me to pick them up?
Yeah, it didn't on the backside.
Well, I am going to get them. I'm going to backdoor them.
Oh, I thought that thing
Oh.
sticking out was
Guys, that was
him.
false news. But this guy, he's in it
He's
to win it.
definitely in there. Yeah.
There's none in there?
There's one, definitely one right here. He's in there. He just retreated.
But I thought that that one was him.
I did too.
Oh, he's going.
Yeah.
Okay, this is where we have to.
We made it. We're headed back to shore, and it's just now starting to rain. We didn't get rained on all day until it's time to get off the water. So that's nice. Success. Also, we're getting close to low tide, and there's barely enough water here to drive a boat back to shore. Look at all the grass out there. It's crazy. Captain Yimmy did a great job not getting us stuck anywhere, following the channel. Reversing the motor when we sucked up a bunch of seagrass every 10 minutes.
Yes.
Call it a successful boat trip.
Yes, I agree.
Rachel joined us.
Another successful day.
What was that, Brandy?
No, not really. The boat's turning up and it smells pretty rough. I gotta take. Here. Here, come here. You
Captain
girls,
Clint.
go get the man. Here. Hold on, guys. Here. Skully's Low Country Boil in Cape San Blas. Just order our small bucket of Low Country Boil, which is, what do we say, Landon? Shrimp, corn, sausage, and new potatoes with like Cajun seasoning and stuff. We tried calling ahead, but they didn't answer, so we got here, ordered, and they said, what, 20 minutes? God dang, and the bugs are terrible here.
Y'all have a good one.
But what they do have is, while you wait, you can grab a free beer or soda while you wait.
What do you want to sign?
You do it. Right over here.
Over here?
Right over here. And they have markers for you to sign the wall. Alright, so we should mention Skully's Low Country Boil here. Only sells one thing, really. Low Country Boil, which Landon explained, or helped me explain at least. They also have gumbo, but they're out of gumbo. We were trying to get gumbo, but they sold out already. And it's pretty early.
They
6.
opened at 4.
They opened at
4:30, close at 8.
Closed at 8. We got here about 6:40. They're out of gumbo. But we'll get the bowl. It's about 20 minutes, so the bugs are great out here.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Ready?
All right, everybody. We just got back from Skully's Low Country Boil. Landon has been talking about, oh, they gave us plates. Landon has been talking about Skully's Low Country Boil since we got to Florida, about wanting to try a Low Country Boil.
Well.
Oh, baby. That looks good. It was very, okay. I
Juicy?
Spilled the juice all over the place there.
Always better be juicy.
Oh, yeah, it's juicy. It's a bowl.
All right.
All right, let's dig in. All right, we're deep into this small bucket of Skully's Low Country Boil. Lots of shrimp. Lots of shrimp in it. Really good seasoning. Lindsay thinks it's spicy.
Burn my lips.
We think it's perfect. We each got like a potato and a piece of corn. There's a ton of shrimp, which is like the expensive part.
We're gonna have
So
to arm wrestle for the last piece of corn.
we're gonna fight for the last piece of corn. But if that's the thing that you want more of, because you have a lot of really, really good shrimp, I call that a win. It was $50 for the small bucket that they say feeds 2 to 4, and I'd say that's about right on.
No.
It's cash only. Remember to take cash, no cards accepted. And I think we said earlier that if you want to have a beverage while you're waiting, they have a cooler out front with sodas and beer in it, and you're just allowed to take one. So, really good. Good job, Skully's. Hot and delicious food to go. It doesn't say Skully's. I thought it was going to say Skully's.
No.
All right. What do you think, Landon? Well worth it?
Uh-huh.
You said you'd get it again, right?
More seasoning, though.
More seasoning. All right. Less seasoning for Lindsay, more seasoning for Landon.
It's spicy.
Here comes Bubba. Here's Bubba. Bubba's here now. Oh. Everybody back in line.
Aaron's here. We're doing our
Okay. Hi.
Hi. The easiest family picture we've ever taken. And you're not going like,
What are you guys doing the rest of the night?
Going to bed.
take a shower.
What time is it?
I don't know. Time to go to bed.
All right.
I'm getting eaten alive by bugs.
Yeah, I've been getting bit too. Yeah. Here.
Do something cool.
Who wants to be a cameraman?
Me.
All right. It's all you, man.
Do something cool.
What's up, dudes?
Vlog.
What's up, vlog? My name on TikTok is Stretch.
You guys pass us?
We gotta go viral.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I thought you were talking about this. I'm doing a good job. All right, let's go. Do the dance. I just got back with my ex. He said he saw her. That's not me. Hey guys, this is my mom. Listen. Hey. Look at that view, man. Stop, dude. I'm filming.
Let me get on the vlog.
Stop, dude.
I want to get on the vlog, man.
Look at that.
Let me get on the vlog.
What's this kid doing? Stop. Like and subscribe, y'all.
What up?
What the heck? What the heck?
Subscribe. The link below. They need a kid.
What?
Like, subscribe below.
What are you talking about? Like, subscribe below. Yes, this is for my. Oh, yeah! Get him, son!
I got
No, let me get. No, for real.
I'm a bum.
No, I play baseball. I play baseball.
too. Let me go. You got next.
Where the fuck you going?
Get him. He's out.
Alright, here. Nah, it's my turn. Let me hit it real quick.
Watch out, Aaron. Watch.
Alright, we got Tyler. Don't hit it too far. Oh, you're trash, dude. Alright, my turn.
No.
Yes,
One hand.
dude. Yeah.
I gotta
Get it, dude. Come on, man. Good catch. Dude, you're so bad. Give me the bat.
Hold on, we're filming my ball. He's hitting dinner for his vlog.
Go.
Nice hit.
That don't count.
That's a hit.
He's out. After Aaron, I'm going. Home run derby.
Hey, the vlog's gonna see that you're.
Oh, you don't know to get it?
Aaron, go run and get it.
You need to wait.
Small airport.
Very
Not
small
good
airport.
People watching.
Yeah.
So far.
There's not enough people around here to watch. So we're at what? Panama City Beach, Northwest Florida Beaches Airport. We got about 2 hours as usual to wait for our flight. We decided to get beers. Landon's happy. He's got a phone charger. Watching some basketball. We found some dude with a cool jersey we figured we'd hang out with.
Yo. You can retrieve your property at the information.
Just kidding. Andre's got the same flight as us.
If you have misplaced,
His dad lives in Alabama, but he's staying in St. Louis, so he's coming with us.
retrieve your property at the information desk on the first floor.
We talk about the best parts of Cape San Blas / Port St. Joe.
Okay.
Do you have a favorite part of the trip, Andre? Think on it. Landon, do you have a favorite part of the trip?
The beach and the sea boil.
The beach and Skully's Low Country Seafood Boil. Last night, that was good. But not spicy enough for Landon. We need to bring our own spices next time and add it in there.
Or ask for extra.
Or ask them to Cajun it up.
Mine was probably the bonfire on the beach. That was
Bonfire on the
cool.
beach is
Yeah.
cool. It's cool that they allow you to
Yeah,
do that.
exactly. I've never done that before on a beach.
Yeah, me neither.
So that was good.
Yeah.
The boating would have been cool yesterday if there wasn't so much seaweed.
Yeah, the boat was cool. It was kind of a weak boat. We didn't get going very fast, but it was like Jimmy said. He was steering a picnic table basically. But yeah, the sea grass was just floating everywhere, and we had to stop every 10 minutes and get it off the prop. So that was a little bit troublesome, worrisome. But it was cool that we could just like throw the anchor and then walk around in ankle deep water in the middle of the bay.
Yeah.
All right, your moment, favorite part.
Probably the bonfire.
Bonfire on the beach. Yeah, it was cool.
That
Yep.
was cool. I wish we did it again, but we
Yeah.
only did it one time.
The last 2 days, we were just so tired by the time we got
Right.
back from everything. Like,
Yeah, it could be it.
yeah. All right. Got a shock top and a Grayson, something local, pale ale. It's pretty good.